Happy Wind Down Wednesday. We're in our Rice's Appliance kitchen with David and Leonardo.
Yes,
of course, they are from the Ringling Grill Room. Welcome, guys. What are we making today?
Today we're making the Heirloom Burrata.
Heirloom Burrata. Okay, and Lizzie and I are helping you.
You ladies are gonna show me how to make it. How about that? No. I'll show you how to make
I was
it.
a little worried there.
Yes, so we're gonna first grab, let me take this. This is yours, or yours.
Okay.
I got
We're
mine.
ready. We've got our tools already.
Okay, we're gonna grab some of the arugula.
Okay, arugula in the
Put it
bowl?
In the bowl, yes.
Okay, in the bowl first.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we're gonna grab a couple of heirloom tomatoes.
Okay.
Heirloom tomatoes are my favorite. I usually eat them like apples.
They're delicious.
They're so good.
So the heirloom tomatoes, it's quick fun facts. It's one of the individual tomatoes that only grows 2 per plant.
Oh, I put on
Two
the
per
Yes.
plant?
2 per
I am
plant on the
already
heirloom
in trouble.
tomatoes.
No, you're not.
And it is way more
You're gonna
colorful
put a
and way
couple
more
of these.
flavorful than your average
These are
tomato.
stuffed peppadews with
Stuffed
cream
pepper.
cheese.
Peppadews?
Peppadews with cream cheese, yes.
Cream cheese inside of them, okay?
Yeah.
Must be hard to stuff these things. They're little.
Yes.
They're little. Some pickled onions.
Pickled onions.
Yes.
Give it a little bit of a kick.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I love
Some watermelon radishes.
watermelon radishes.
Yes. They're like this. This is a watermelon radish.
Oh, is
Oh, how do you cook it? Or did you just cut it?
You cut it in little you can slice it or cut it in matchsticks.
Okay,
And
okay.
you just
Okay, this
eat it.
looks pretty. Okay.
And you put some lemonette in.
Lemonette.
You dress it.
So you make your own dressing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is there a tip? How long do you pour the lemonette? Like 30 seconds, 10
Yeah,
seconds?
10 seconds.
Okay.
A
1,
nice
2,
little
3,
hit.
4, 5,
That's
6.
good. We mix it.
Okay, then we're mixing
We
it.
mix it.
Yours
Now,
great. You have it
first,
perfect.
before we put it in the plate, before we plate it, we want to drizzle a little bit of the balsamic glaze on the plate.
Oh,
Attention to detail.
this
Here,
one.
ma'am.
Okay, let me see what you did.
There you
Like
go.
that, yeah. Just like that.
Just like
Okay.
that.
Look how
Make it
perfect
Linda,
fun.
good
There you
job.
go.
All right. Now, we want to plate the salad on the plate on the side.
I think I went with a heavy hand on my
Oh, you
salad.
did great. You did great.
I'll put a little more. Cheat a little bit more
Look how
red
perfect
stuff
that
in.
is. You did great.
Okay.
Okay. Now, we want to put some quinoa. 1 spoon
Quinoa
of
on
quinoa
top.
on top of the salad.
Okay, just 1 spoon. I feel like sometimes people overdo it with the quinoa on
No.
salad. So 1 spoon is perfect.
plenty.
And now you have the burrata.
And it goes right on there.
In the middle, then you cut it in half.
Okay, here we go.
I want to see what she does before
Yes.
I mess up. What-
Oh no.
You have a knife. Okay, you have
Okay,
a knife.
okay.
Go ahead
And then
and
I
grab
just
that with
cut
your
it
palm.
right like this.
Half, yes.
So like
there.
this?
Yep.
Ooh, and then it all comes
Put it
out.
right
This
there,
looks
yep,
so
right there.
fresh.
And go ahead
And
and cut that
then
in half
we
a bit.
drizzle a little bit of olive
Go
oil
ahead and
on
cut that
top.
in
Now
half.
cut?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
presto.
Go ahead and cut that right down the middle. And you go ahead and drizzle some sauce on that. Add
What
some-
sauce do I dribble?
We're
Oh,
going to
whoops.
use the olive oil right there.
Stay back, stay back.
There you go.
I start talking to my food.
You're doing
It's
great.
okay, you're good.
Right there.
You're perfect. There you
Perfect, look
go.
at that.
That's a
Linda,
perfect
yours looks
dish.
beautiful.
This is-
Yours looks beautiful.
I did
guys
mine
did great.
beforehand, and here it is.
Oh,
guys
look
What a
at that.
perfect presentation.
Good. You also,
We're
you
pretty
ladies
good.
have a
I'm gonna
perfect
try
presentation
it.
too.
I'm gonna try it. I'm
There
going
you
in
go.
with this spoon.
Okay.
'Kay.
Well, actually here.
We
Oh,
have,
you have it?
Yes,
okay.
I do.
we have class around here, please. We have ours- usually we have plastic silver. Today, we
No,
have
no. This is the
and
grill
a
room.
napkin.
Okay, I'm going in. I think you gotta get burrata first,
What? Yes.
then the tomato, a
Yes.
big bite.
If nothing
Excellent.
bad happens to her, I'm going to try it.
Oh, it's going to be great.
How is it,
It
Lizzie?
is delicious.
Yes.
Delicious.
Oh, this is so good.
You should
I
try
can
the
tell
little
that
pepper.
burrata
Yes.
is so
The
fresh.
little
I did
pepper.
it.
This
I
one?
did it.
Yes.
Is this a little
With the
pep-
cream cheese
Yes.
inside?
Are they
Yes.
really hot?
No,
No.
not hot at all. There's nothing spicy. It's good.
So
Excellent.
this is on your menu.
This is on our daily menu. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
this is going to be one of our. signature dishes on our appetizer menu, and it is a great summer dish. It is very light and it pairs
Oh, yes.
delicious with the Chardonnay that we have
Yes.
on for Wine Down Wednesday.
So this is the Chardonnay that you
the
recommend.
Fricho
Yes.
Chardonnay, which is our featured Chardonnay for the Ringling Grill Room. Yes.
And
What
I
else
tried
is-
the pepper, and it's not too hot. It's really sweet, and the cheese inside of it is perfect. It's not too much.
my goodness. Oh, this is wonderful.
not too much.
What a way to start the 4th of July weekend. You can learn more about their hours and menu items at the Ringling Grill.